What's going on, guys? So tonight I have quite a different type of unboxing, and it's very random, but I just picked up this Rode NT USB Mini, which I got from Amazon for about 135 Australian dollars. And yeah, I'm hoping to use this microphone for my videos, specifically connecting it to my phone. So we'll see. Hopefully it can work while recording this video. So it's quite a small mic. I think it's condenser or it's a cardioid microphone. I'm pretty sure it's a cardioid microphone. I'm not really an expert regarding the difference between the two, but yeah, so this one would contain a microphone, one USB-C to USB-A, and some thread adapter. So without further ado, let's unbox this thing. I'm gonna carefully unbox this microphone, just in case I have to return it, because my last Rode purchase didn't do well. It was like a Rode microphone, and it forgot it was the top of the line Rode NT1, I think that it's called, but yeah, it didn't work well. It was a defective product, so I have to return it. And now I'm trying to, this one actually has a tape over here, so let's remove the tape. But yeah, the last Rode microphone I bought was one of their popular products. I think it was the NT1, as I've said, and it was just defective, so I have to return it. Hopefully that's not the case for this one. So got a sleeve for the box, and here's the box itself. Some fine print at the back, and I think this one signifies that the device is black. You've got some paperwork, safety, and I think it's it's still regulatory and safety, and a quick start guide. Pretty much straightforward. Just plug and play and record. That's it. And then some input features, and you just slide this out here, and here's the packaging. Wow, that's just, look at that. Rode knows their packaging. The previous one that I bought, it had good packaging, and it's just like voila, takes the center stage. So it's actually a pretty heavy mic, I would say. Like, it's got some weight into it. So here we got the dial for gain. Yeah, gain. I was thinking gain. I was saying input earlier. And then we got a micro USB-C, and then a headphone jack if you want to listen to yourself while recording. And yeah, this is the microphone. Comes with a built-in pop filter, I think, and can swivel. Oh, it's actually detachable. Okay, so this is a detachable base stand, and yeah, it's magnetic. It's pretty cool. Made in Australia. Let's go. And for the rest of the box, this one goes flat. On the other side, we have some desiccant. I don't know why it's included here. You should just see that on like food or something, But yeah, here's the mic itself in its glory, and the built USB-C to USB-A. But for this video, I'm gonna be using my own USB-C to USB-C, which is the one that came with my Samsung phone, and hopefully we'll try this out. I'm gonna plug it to my phone if it works, and I got light up. I'm not sure if my audio change, if the Rode is picking up the audio now. We'll check on the video later. But yeah, so this is the mic, like right up to my mouth, and I'm speaking right into it with the gain at full. And this is me speaking to the mic, where it's it's got some distance from my mouth, and hopefully it does pick up in the video. Like the video automatically took input from the mic. And let's try lowering the gain. The gain is low, and then we'll increase the gain right away. And then yeah, so yeah, that's the Rode NT USB Mini, and it's pretty sleek looking mic, I would say. And I'm gonna try to use this for my videos and for like recording some singing as well. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy it, and I will definitely upload this if the audio did change. But if it didn't, then yeah, you're not gonna see this video. All right, see ya, have a good day, and on ya.